Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Our today's video is about 3 AI Canva apps. Makes your life easy and make your work more stunning. First one is image animate, second one is coloring book, and third one is font frame. First of all, we discuss image animate. I will take a background and then I will go to Magic Media. I have write a prompt here. A girl heading towards camera sitting on a bench having winter snow falling background. This app created a 4 image and I have selected this one. Now I will go to apps and search image animate. Image animate. We will select this first one. Go back. First of all, you will select an image and then write a prompt. I wrote a prompt, create an evocative image capturing the ethereal beauty of a girl holding a softly glowing light. Okay, I wrote this prompt. You can change it by clicking on inspire me, then it will rephrase this prompt. But right now, I don't need to rephrase it, so I will go with this prompt. Now you can create image motion through AI motion or create by yourself. Relax when if you go with AI motion, then you don't need to do anything. Simply generate, and if you want to do by yourself, then you have an option of moving the image in these directions. Right now, I will go with the AI motion, so it will create by itself. Use 20 of 380 image animate credits. In this app is free up to 400 image animate credit. You can use 20 credits for one image. After that, you will have to buy this app. Now, it's pretty much good because it has 400 to 500 free credits and you can use them easily. So, I will click on generate and it will take 1 to 2 minutes. I have already generated it. Look, delete this one, expand this image and see my image is now animated. In this way, you can change your image into motion graphics. And these are saleable on Fiverr. Right here, font frame. I have already, so I will click the font frame. You can write any text like hello world. I will write it here. Happy world. Now I have to use the image for this and I will select an image. I will select this image for it. sorry, use selected image. Look, in this way you can select the image, and image scaler you can use, like here image scaler. In this way you can set the image background of the text. You can write in this way as well. Now go to setting. You can change the font. In this way, this looks too good. You can minimize the outline thickness like this. Like this. You can go to 0 in this way, and now I will increase the line spacing. Now I will increase to 1. It's like this. So I will reduce it to 0.9. It's looking pretty much good. You can change the outline color too, but I don't need to change the outline color. So I will add this design to my canvas. Look. It's looking too good. You can create these types of the text. The third one is reflection. I've selected this, go to element. Right here shoes. I have selected this, remove the background. Now you have to go to apps, reflection, easy reflection. Click on this. Create, first of all, select the image and then create a reflection. You can change the direction up, above, left and right. I have to use the below reflection, and you can change the opacity to high and low. I will use. Now this app has created the reflection of the shoes. Today we discussed the 3 apps: image animate, font frame and the image reflection. Next video I will discuss other apps. Hope you will like the video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Till my next video.